Hey guys, that was a cool exercise called Skin the Cat. I'm going to show you guys how to do this in this video. Alright, so these things right here, they're called Olympic rings. I'm going to show you guys how to use this to do an exercise called Skin the Cat. Don't worry, we are not going to be harming any cats in this, and these aren't used for any kinky activities at all, although you can. But we're going to use them properly today, and we're going to show you how to properly skin the cat. So this exercise right here, because it's an exercise that is medium to high risk, we're going to start off with the very basics on getting down and how to set it up. With this right here, I have this set around my eye level, or just below it, so that I can crouch down and still have contact with the floor and have control with this exercise. Now for those of you guys that are a little bit new to this, you're going to stay in this position right here. You're crouched to the floor, you've got your arms hanging up, and all you're going to do is you're going to try and pick up your legs off the ground. Just like this. Now what you're doing is you're using your abdominal core to pick up your legs and curl upwards. Now that should be the first thing you're doing if you can't throw yourself completely over. I'm going to go a little bit further ahead and get into the next step. You're going to curl up your legs and lift yourself up off the ground. This is how we do it. So starting that over again. I'm going to tuck myself in, up, and over. To get through the rest of the movement, it's a medium to high risk activity for the shoulder, and it might not be best for some of you guys with shoulder problems. Now, one of the things that you can do to test this out, test out the waters and make sure you can do it, is to get into the end range of motion for this exercise. For this exercise, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab onto these rings. I'm just going to walk myself forward, rotate my shoulders, and just get myself down in this position right here. This is the end range of motion when you come out of Skin the Cat. So if you're in this position here and you don't feel any pain, that's a good sign. So now that we have the whole thing, we've done the beginning and the end of the exercise, let's go through the whole thing. If you feel confident enough, try and go through the entire range of motion, which should look like this. Here I am starting from the bottom of the rings. I'm going to tuck and curl myself up. Throw my legs completely over. Land, and now lift myself back up in complete reverse. That's the exercise of skinning the cat. Hey, as I promised, no cats were harmed in the making of this video. Now, if you like this exercise video, like and subscribe to our channel, and visit us at tightassets.ca. Do that now.